waiter shows up and puts the most amazing sundae on the table right in front of us. And this thing has this much real whipped cream on top. Okay? And I'm looking at this sundae and I'm saying, honey, that looks wonderful. I would love to eat it, but we didn't order that. And he looks at me and he says, the kitchen screwed up, don't worry about it. So our appetizer was this giant sundae covered in hot fudge and real whipped cream this thick. I kept scooping and all I got was the whipped cream. But down below was like this vanilla ice cream with these giant balls of chocolate chip cookie dough. That was our appetizer.
Well, I had a Philly cheesesteak.
Of course.
And,
as did Mr. Dave,
and
which is why his tummy's sticking out and he can't breathe.
We had popcorn, garlic French, no, not kettle corn, popcorn, garlic French fries, and we topped off the dessert with a caramel apple with walnuts.
You okay?
You're a garlic.
Yeah, I did.
So each of the kids ordered a burger. Erica's, that's going to be lovely, all over your lunch. Erica's was covered in chipotle sauce.
Awesome.
One more time. Alex's was covered in barbecue sauce with onion rings on top. Are we done yet?
No.
Okay.
I'm listening. The barbecue sauce, chipotle barbecue.
And I got these soy taquitos on a plate this big covered with rice and beans and guacamole and sour cream and pico de gallo.
Who's doing that?
Mark.
I couldn't finish it. So you know me, I took the organic rice and beans and the salsa home and I was going to make myself huevos rancheros for breakfast. But on the way, here's this homeless guy.
You gave it to somebody.
There's this
I'm
homeless
sorry,
guy.
I'm not emotionally honest.
And he looked drunk, he stumbles up to like the froster freeze and then he like does this double take like, oh yeah, I don't have any money. And he turns about and he says, ma'am, you don't happen to have any leftovers to you? So I gave my organic rice and beans to the gentleman, the homeless gentleman at the foster care. He's still not done that. See, look at that bracelet, girl.
Oh, my glasses.
Gross. Go roast, mister. Get roast.
You done?
I don't know. I'll get blow my nose first.
The lighting here is just horrible.